Hello and namaste. This is 𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗢 once again and welcome back to my channel Financial Market Analysis Twist by 𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗢. So in today's video I would like to discuss something regarding what we had told a long time back also, and just to review regarding those metals which has actually outperformed, and what is the going ahead, what is the investment idea regarding those. And also if you like this video, you please put a like and share it with your maximum friends. And if you are not yet subscribed, and if you like what I come out with my contents, then you please subscribe. And also I have a different format where it is on a personalized investment basis. If somebody wants consultancy on the stock specific, sector specific, or the business specific ideas or business consultancy, see, it's on a nominal chargeable basis. One can contact me by sending me email. My email details are in the description box down below, and then we can chat up and I can tell you about my fees. So and also a disclaimer that the idea and the views expressed here are my personal views based on certain my analysis of data available in the public domain, as well as my understanding about those sectors and those views. And viewers are requested to do their own due diligence and research before acting on this advice, as I am no way responsible for your investment advice, for your investment decisions. Sorry. So in today's videos, I told you I had long time back come out with almost like last year one of the investment theme was energy, that is oil and gas. But apart from that, I was talking about that I am bullish on nickel, and I had told about one Russian company, 𝗦𝗛𝗔𝗛-𝗦𝗧𝗢𝗖𝗞. So I just wanted to reiterate, and I wanted to show you how this has performed in this half year has gone in this 2021, how all the metals have performed, and as compared to that, how this nickel and molybdenum, which two metals which I like as of now also I continue to like, and there are reasons. Both nickel and molybdenum, it's used as alloy, stainless steel, and to make steel, and not only as alloy but also as a catalyst, and also they are used for some kind of a reagents or chemical agents for removing sulfur from the diesel and from petrol. So both these metals play a very big role. And with the advent and more usage and the popularity of electric vehicles on the rise, so the battery comes into picture, the demand, and that is where you will see the nickel will continue to put a very main role as far as the next future is concerned for next 20 years. So and if you look at why non-nickel is that as a stock, because it's not performing because there are sanctions and all these other issues regarding Russia. But apart from that, non-nickel has this platinum and palladium, and which are mainly used for the automobile, right, as a catalytic converters. So automobile has, that in last 2 years it has gone through a very challenging times because of first is COVID, and after that lockdowns, and after that the shortages of chips and electronics processors, and all these things have dented demand. But as you know that nickel, whether it is electric vehicles or whether it is normal vehicles and metals, as a metal it will continue to play a big role, whereas the platinum palladium, their role comes down as we shift towards the electrical vehicle technology, because this is used mainly for the conventional that 4-stroke engines and conventional IC, internal combustion engine based vehicles. So I just wanted to show you one chart, and this is the nickel chart of 5 years. As you can see, we had told we had started telling this, we are bullish at about from 18,000. We had told that we can see that it can touch to 30,000, and after that we will again take a call. So it went up to 30,000, and because of all this last because of the because of the strength in the dollar, and also the tightening of the Fed, and world over this inflationary pressures putting more challenges to the central banks, and everybody is tightening. And as you know that most of this commodity and metals and energy prices, they are inversely related to the US dollar. So the strain US dollar becomes strong, all these prices comes down, and vice versa. So but despite of that, after this also you will still see that in this year it has outperformed all the metals. I'll show you that chart where this has outperformed by almost like 13%. You see this is the nickel. You see nickel 13.197, for 14% in this year it has gone up. And look at, and molybdenum, look at all the other metals. Aluminum, it is little bit down, so you can say it has not gone down that much. Lead, then you look at tin, look at zinc is also kind of, you can say that it is holding. And look at this, look at the copper 26% down, silver 26%, steel 30%, iron ore 50%, platinum 18%. So this is what I continue to remain, I continue to reiterate that apart from, irrespective of all the other things, the fundamentals support very much this nickel and and molybdenum. These are the two metals which I like as of now. Okay, and these are also these are not the typical kind of metals which is like with US dollar, and with the US dollar, as you can see, even aluminum didn't go down. Zinc also. So that kind of a correlation theory is little bit breaking, because USD is behaving very strong, not because of its economics or fundamentals, but because of the world over fears about recession increasing and inflation increasing. So safe haven asset, like but for me, I continue to believe that over a long term period of time, or the future, if you'll ask me next 10 years, then the safe haven asset or the best asset would be then the gold. So better to tide over the turbulent times, you should better invest in the gold, whether it is pure gold or the gold companies, or like say nickel. This is also I consider as one of the investment ideas right now in metals. No other metals I am talking about. And apart from oil and gas, as I keep on telling about the energy stocks, particularly those kind of a this coal also, because if not gas, then coal, people will switch on to try to find the alternative energy into the coal, because if there is no gas not available, but coal is available in maximum part of the world. And because of this situation with Russia and sanctions, so the coal continues to remain the top performing energy apart from the oil. And I continue to believe that this is going to be the trend, at least for this year. That is what I just wanted to reiterate, and wanted to show that that correlation between dollar and commodities, which used to be there, it is slowly it is breaking. As you can see that despite of all this strains in dollar, oil and gas continues to remain on the high because of the fundamental reasons. And the same way, there are fundamentals supporting nickel and molybdenum. So I continue to believe that you can look into this investment into this particular, and also gold. I am very much bullish about this gold investment in gold. So I would suggest people to get into this. And also one just a small another advice is that regarding dollar and ruble, my idea is that as and when the dollar goes to, say, suppose ruble, if suppose your ruble goes down to say 55, okay, so you should that time you should buy dollar, okay, and when it goes to 65, you should sell dollar. This is the idea I wanted to share. This is the new. One can do that. Whether you are exporter, importer, or trader, or whatever, you can make money like this way. So buy dollar at 55 and sell dollar at 65 ruble against ruble. That's it from my side, and ciao from Neeraj from Moscow. We'll see you once again next week with some new idea, new connect. Till that time, love you all and ciao.